10 interesting facts about beavers. 1. Nature's engineers. Beavers are famous for building dams, lodges, and canals, altering their environment to create deep ponds that offer them protection from predators. 2. Incredible teeth. Their large, orange-colored front teeth never stop growing. The iron-rich enamel makes them extra strong, allowing beavers to gnaw through tough wood. 3. Strong tails. Beavers have flat, scaly tails that they use for balance while carrying logs, for swimming, and as a warning signal by slapping the water when they sense danger. 4. Expert swimmers. Beavers can hold their breath underwater for up to 15 minutes and have webbed feet that make them excellent swimmers. 5. Waterproof fur. Their thick fur is coated with natural oils to repel water, keeping them warm and dry in cold environments. 6. Ecosystem. Benefactors. The dams they build create wetlands, which help prevent floods, filter water, and provide habitats for many other species. 7. Efficient lumberjacks. A beaver can cut down a 6-inch thick tree in about 10 minutes using its powerful teeth. 8. Social creatures. Beavers live in family groups called colonies, typically consisting of a monogamous pair and their young, including kits, babies, and yearlings. 9. Natural defenses. Their nostrils and ears close while diving, and a special membrane covers their eyes like built-in goggles. 10. Historical importance. Beavers were once heavily hunted for their fur and castoreum, a secretion used in perfumes and medicines, leading to a decline in their populations. Conservation efforts have since helped them recover in many areas.